I hate it when my pencil breaks. It's so annoying. Luckily, I have this little guy. He does all the hard work. I just need to turn a handle. And then, I have a nice sharp pencil. This can go with the rest. I have an idea. It's time to get creative. I'll fold a piece of paper over, then draw Blue Monster's face on it. This is going to be great. It's a good likeness. Once that's done, I'll open up the paper and finish off the drawing. I'll need to add some details. That's more like it. Now for the color. I'm pretty happy with that. I love art. The weirder the better. Huh? What are you doing? Hey! That's my drawing! Get back here! Where are you taking it? What's the big idea? What's going on in here? Huh? Oh, you're here! Who are you? We've been waiting for you! You look so good. Every girl loves jewelry. Especially when it's freshly dug up. We even have matching sets. Never let her get me jewelry for my birthday. Problem? Here's the first challenge. Make me some jewelry. I'm not sure about this. Let's get it over with. I can't believe we're doing this. Come on. Up you get. Where do we start? How about the fingers? Please don't look at me like that. How about using this? I've no idea. Hold on. Please don't do that. Yeah, we knew that. We were just messing. I'm still out of ideas. Stop! Don't move! We can use these hairbands. Hey, I need those. This is more important. Great. Now my hair's gonna be a mess. That's them all. Watch this. All I need are my fingers. I'll take the hairband. What are you doing? I'll twist the band around my fingers. I'll keep layering them up. Then I'll fold the red one around them. Then I'll repeat the process. I can do that. I always keep spare hairbands back here. This is my emergency supply. I knew they'd come in handy. I can't let Lexi see. This is harder than I thought. I'm almost finished. It's just like braiding my hair. I want to make a loop. Just like this. It makes a great bracelet. Check it out, Olivia. I've got one too. What? How? Inspiration struck. They're a little too colorful for me. But it's a tie. Woohoo! And it's all thanks to me. These are cute. I'd totally wear it. This is why we don't hang out with normal people. The color's perfect. Dark, moody, just like me. What the? Ugh! Oh, my phone. Get off me. You're so annoying. Leave me alone. Ooh, that's such a shame. I don't need your pity. Anyway, this is your next challenge. What are you waiting for? You can count on us. This is gonna be fun. We've got our phone cases. Let's get started. What should I do? I have a great plan. I just need a few things from my bag. Where is it? I don't need this. What else is in here? I told you to clean your bag more often. Huh? A carrot? That's a snack for later. Oops. We could've shared that. Aha! This is what I'm looking for. My 3D pen. This is gonna be great. I'll start by drawing on the case. I want to keep the lines close together. And then I'll switch colors. I'll do this all the way down. It's gonna be like a rainbow. Wow! It's just how I imagined it to be. What do you think? Admit it, you like it. It makes me smile. It does look good. You're so adorable. Okay, what's wrong with a pet rabbit? I'll take her nail polish. This should help. Which one should I use first? This looks nice. I'll dab the nail polish onto the phone case. I want to make a few spots around the case. Then I'll add more shades. I'll just put them on top of each other. It looks so pretty already. Now I need a straw. I hope I don't run out of breath. I have to blow through the straw. This'll move the nail polish around the phone case. It'll mix together and create a marbled effect. Now I can use this lamp to set it. It'll speed things up. Wow! It looks amazing! Hey, look at this! I hope you like it. It's over to you! I have a good feeling about this. You both did well. It's another tie. Yes! I'm so happy! I'm using this as my case. Uh-oh. My hands are stuck. Are you okay? What am I gonna do? I can't get it off! Ugh! My phone! It's lucky you've got a case to protect it. Let's not talk about this. Hey, you want a back rub? Aw, Olivia, that's so nice. That feels good. I've been so tense lately. Yeah, just relax. You're such a good— What? That wasn't funny! It kinda was. Oh, wow. This video is great. Ha! Did you see that? Show that orange who's boss. We could totally do that. What is she doing? Huh? I'm allowed to relax too. Fine. Here's the next challenge. Go! Ew, this should be fun. I'm not sure about that. It'll be easy. All we need to do is draw on our hands. I'll start with the eyes. It tickles. Okay, now I'll draw the arms. That's it. It's party time! Whoop whoop! Olivia? Let's do this thing! Snap out of it! Huh? What is it? I think you were getting too excited. Oh, right. Sorry. It's your turn. Maybe I can use this. I'll slip this piece of fabric over my finger. Then I'll put a piece of candy inside it. That looks like a good spot. Now I'll draw the face. Just look at those lashes! I'm jealous. Looks like someone is about to hear the pitter-patter of tiny feet. Congratulations, you guys! Here's your hat. It suits you. They look so adorable. Wait. Hey, handsome. What? No way! Ah! Hey, what's all the noise? This can't be happening! Hang on. Did I imagine it? Phew. What a relief. I was worried for a moment. Are you feeling okay? Lexi wins. It was an easy decision. Woohoo! We did it! My fingers are not happy. What's that? You don't care? It's okay. There. That's it. What is she doing? Oh, that's nice. Make her stop. Oops. Were you waiting on me? I was playing with this. Whoa! I love bubble wrap! Got any more? Ooh, that was a good one. Huh. Is this supposed to be fun? I could do this all day. Huh? Hey, quit ruining our fun! I was getting into that. Okay, here's your challenge. A fashionable bag. That's more like it. I have a great idea. I'll need my candy. This is gonna be good. I'll fold the bubble wrap over. Then I'll place candy on top. I'll alternate the colors. I can put this to one side. Next I need a rubber band. I'll use it to tie two pieces of candy together. I want them to be secure. I'll keep doing this until I have a long chain of candy. This is gonna be the handle. I'll connect it to the bubble wrap. And it's ready! It's so fun! And if you're hungry, you can have a snack. What are you doing, Lexi? I found this boring bag. This might be handy. Hang on. What's going on? I'm looking for inspiration. Aha! That's what I'm looking for! Time to get to work! I'll unroll the aluminum foil. And I'll need a red pen. I'll start by drawing a circle on the foil. Then I'll color it in. I'll draw around it with different colors. I want to create a large, colorful circle. It needs to fill the aluminum foil. I'm almost finished. Okay, now for the next stage. I'll spray the foil with alcohol. This will cause the ink to mix. It needs to be soaked. I put star templates onto the bag. Now I'll carefully lay it on the foil. I'll smooth it out, and then peel it off. The ink transfers to the bag. I can take the stars off now. It looks good, huh? Bright, colorful, and chic. I would use this. You know, I might go shopping later. It does look good. But at least I have candy. I can use it to bribe Wednesday. Are you throwing candy at me? Keep it coming. But it's our secret, okay? My lips are sealed. So who wins? Olivia. Yes! I knew it! My decision is final. That's it. I'm outta here. Go for it! We're so good at this. What are you looking at? Since when did you like rainbows? I know. I can see it. No, we're not doing that. Okay, fine. Hey. Ahem. Hey, are you ready? You need to make a rainbow, and it better be full of joy and happiness. I love rainbows! I'm gonna need these pens. I have a great trick. I'll line the pens up just like this. Then I'll use my glue gun to join them together. When it's dry, it's time to draw. It's such an easy way to draw a rainbow. But there's more. I'll take a plastic folder and put a piece of paper inside it. Then the rainbow can go inside the folder. If I remove the blank piece of paper, a rainbow appears! Ooh! It's so magical! How am I gonna beat that? I know. I'll need these crayons. And this frying pan. I'll put the glass jar into the pan. And turn up the heat. I'll wait for the crayons to melt. The colors are mixing together! Wow! Look at that! Now I'll need a poppet. I'll pour the wax into the poppet, then wait for it to set. I'll break off a section. It makes a great rainbow! Wow, it's so artistic! I'm impressed. I want to try it! I love rainbow candy! Whoa, not so fast. Aw, it looks so tasty. What do you think? It's pretty, huh? Here's my attempt. Now you see it, now you don't. I could stare at it all day. What's happening? Wow. Rainbows. They are beautiful. So many rainbows. What the… What? That was weird. Lexi wins. Yes! I'm the best!
These ingredients sure do look fresh and tasty. Let me just start with these eggs. I'll give this one a little crack.
You know, I really do think we could be in a band together. Or at least be the percussionists in an existing band.
Are you kidding me? They're back to banging on things and making noise? They're not listening to me at all! Hey!
Oh! I got it! Wait, what's this?
Instead of making noise, make art using that.
Oh, okay. We can do that. Right, Hazel? Let me start off by cutting a strip. Got my little egg domes. Now I need a palette. And paint, of course. I'll just add little blobs of paint to the palette. Got the red and orange and now a good amount of yellow. Isn't this blue just the most beautiful color? And I do love purple. I've got my little brush, so now it's time to get painting. Each one of my little egg cups is getting a makeover. It's already looking so cute! But I'm not done! I made little paper eyes that I need to add up front. And I also crafted little paper antenna, too. He looks happy, so let's give him a little smile. Aw, isn't my little caterpillar so adorable? Okay, I've got this egg carton. Now what should I do with it? Separate it. Now I've got pieces that I've painted different shades of blue. I've got this piece of paper that I folded in half like so. Now I'm gonna trim the loose side so I can open it and have a little guy. But let's actually make this little guy a girl with some hair. I'll just plop that on. Oh my gosh! She's already so cute! In fact, I think she needs a little hairpin. How about a start? I'll put it right here on her hair. Maximum adorableness! Okay, I need to calm down because I'm not done yet. There. Now she has some clothes and a face. What about the little painted egg cartons? I need to use this knife to carefully add a slit in the top. This string will come in handy for the next part too. I'm just gonna poke the end of the string through the hole I made. Then I've gotta pull some of it through. There. That should be good. Let me just add a knot on this end so it can't pull back through. I don't need that excess, so it's okay that I snipped it off. Now let's see. Eee! She's the cutest little mermaid ever! One day, little caterpillar, you're gonna fly so high.
Oh, you're done with your art projects. So Mia is the winner. But so is Hazel. Congrats! Excellent job!
Yay! Our mermaid and caterpillar were successful! Well, we're back to being bored once more. Just watching whatever this is. I have to say, though, that she does have some pretty beautiful hair. Yeah, hair on her face and chest.
Oh. Alright, back to the challenge.
Oh, okay, we're focused and ready.
Good, because we're gonna be using crayons.
Ooh, crayons. That could be a lot of fun.
Alright then, catch!
I've got one too. I guess we can work with this.
Good, because I want to see what you can do with the crayons.
Well, I guess we should get to work. Let's grab some canvases. I wonder what I should make. Oh, Mia's already getting to work. Yep, I've got some cute little silhouettes I cut out of paper. And I'm gonna tape off some of the canvas too. Now I can stick the crayons to it to hold it in place. Now I need a bit of plastic. I cut it into a shape so it'll cover my silhouettes. And I need some extra help with direction, as you'll see. I'll use this glass. But I need to make sure it stays in place, so I need rubber bands. Well, I guess I better get started with something. First things first. Might as well take out some of these crayons. Yellow is a great color to start with. Time to start making art. Yes! I really feel this medium in my bones. That's enough yellow. Time for some red. Ooh, Mia has all these colors lined up. They look so pretty. Well, hey, I can do something similar. Come here, crayons. I'll just lay them all over my canvas like this. Each a different color. This is great. Making art is the absolute best. Okay, my canvas is ready to take the next step. It's art time! Good thing I always bring my most powerful hairdryer. No, the crayons don't need their hair dried, but they do need some heat. Just gotta go back and forth over all these crayons until they start to melt. The wax is melting! I can't stop now, though. I need a lot more melted wax. And that's good enough. Good job, hairdryer. Okay, now let me finish up with this canvas. Gonna use some black paint and create a ground for them to stand on. Can't forget grasses and other plants. And once I remove the plastic and glass, it's done! Time for me to use the hairdryer trick as well!
Oh! What the? You got hot crayon all over my face!
Oopsie.
I can't believe you!
Sorry. Here's a tissue. Would that help?
Oh! Now Hazel, that was not a great thing to do to Mia. And because of that, Mia wins!
Ugh. Well, I guess that's only fair. Especially since I didn't finish.
Good job, Mia. It's very pretty art.
Morning, Julie! Isn't my new mug spectacular? Aw, it's so sweet! Can I see it? No way, Butterfingers! Okay, then. I've gotta find somewhere to keep this thing. Those shelves are pretty tall. Julie can never reach all the way up here. Not even in heels. See ya! She's not looking, is she? Time to mug that mug! Ugh! I'm so close! I can practically taste it! Ah! Yes! Oh no! I can't believe it! I'm so dead! I've gotta hide the evidence! Who looks under here anyway? My 3D pen! Maybe I can fix this after all! Start by getting a shape with foil. Once you've covered the whole piece, let it dry, then take it off. Next part takes some real creativity. Let's start with a big red heart. Don't forget to fill it all in. Use lines going up and down over and over. And we're done! I've gotta be really quiet here. There! Let's see. Aw, this mug is just the cutest. Everyone loves rainbows, right? They just make you happy. And they're also great inspiration for creativity. What was your favorite hack or craft? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.